Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to end calls on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. If you have an ongoing call information with this menu over here, then you can simply press this red button in order to end the call. However, if you don't have this menu and you, for instance, are in the home screen, then you can open notifications and then you can tap on the notification of the ongoing call in order to open the same information or the menu in order to be able to close or end the call. Or you can tap on this arrow on the right side and then you have this red button here that also ends calls through notifications. And there's also one additional way that allows you to end calls. And in order to find it, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down and go to additional settings. And over here you want to go to accessibility, switch to physical tab, and then over here you have power button and ends call. So now if this option is enabled, and if you are in a call, you can end it by pressing the power button on the right side of your device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!